Hello guys, so today's vlog, it's another vlog regarding comments here, for our comment section. So we will answer one of our comments here for this guy. So shout out to you, sir. He's asking regarding a vertical DJI RS4 and if we can use the modes, especially the like a vortex mode or the 360 mode, if we can use while on vertical mode or portrait mode. Instead, I suggest another solution. Instead, we will use the DJI RS4. We will use the DJI RS4 Pro. And if you want to make it a vertical, I will use another accessories to make it vertical, not the stabilizer itself. Because we know that we can vertical the stabilizer by the plate. So just release this area and make it vertical. But on this time, guys, we will use a cage, yeah, for the camera, for the mobile, sorry. We will use a cage for the mobile and we will make it vertical directly so you can use the other mode. So it's more easy and yeah, at least you can use all the modes of the stabilizer. So I'll show you now, guys. Okay, so I have here a small rig. I think this is a small rig cage from smartphone cage. So this is compatible with any smartphone like iPhone or Samsung. So depends on your mobile. So let's see, it's the mobile or my iPhone already on vertical mode. Yan. Let's make balance. Okay. So I have one small light here for counterweight. So no need to fix in a vertical mode style if you have a cage. Cage also can help us for the counterweight of add weights for the smartphone or our iPhone 15 Pro Max. So ayan. Okay. Ayan. So let's try to turn on and calibrate. I'm already the green, so meaning it's already balanced. So but still we need to calibrate to make it sure. Okay, it's calibrating. Now it's 100%. The calibration is done, complete. Okay, so this is our mobile, and yeah, this is how it holds. If you want to use vortex mode or 360 mode, go with FPV, then 3D roll. Sorry, it's called 3D roll. So see, we can make a 3D roll, and yeah, perfect. You can make a 3D roll video on this camera, guys. This setup, sorry. So again, I suggest instead you make a portrait modes. Put some cage on your mobile or smartphone. As at the setup, we have iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yan. And yeah, you can use all the modes of the stabilizer, either RS4 or RS4 Pro, combo or single, doesn't matter. But yeah, you can use, and you can use all the modes. I have PTF, let's say PTF, PTF, and PF mode. Yeah, it's perfect, guys. Even if I use the PF modes, it's done. So yeah, guys, only the solution to make all the modes from DJI RS4 and DJI RS4 Pro is to use a cage for your smartphone. So at least it's easy and you can use again all the modes of the stabilizer. It's the see again, I will use the vortex mode, FPV, 3D mode, 3D roll. Sorry, 3D roll 360. See guys, ayun. 3D roll 360. So again, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. I hope I answer your questions, sir. So on the next vlog, we will try to use full setup with the smartphone. Like we'll put a microphone, lights, and everything. So I think that's it for today's vlog. If you have any question or suggestion, you can comment to all of our video. So yeah, we'll try to answer your comments. So again, guys, I think that's it for today. If you want to check the price and availability of this DJI RS4, RS4 Pro, or RS3 Mini, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.